Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a tour plan on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the roads option next to the home button at the lower bar on the screen, and here you can find the plan new option at the upper right corner of the page. And here you can add the sport, the fitness level and the road type, and you can add the location. You can add the current location or the choose destination, and you can edit that, just type the name of the place or the address and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.